So Jason, we've just seen an impressive demo, Inconel 718 using Seco Tools. Tell me about it.
So the demo is on Inco 718. It's using our latest range of ceramic cutters, in particular one particular cutter where we've got a ceramic tipped on a carbide shank, which obviously reduces a lot of cost, and it's more of a health and safety where we don't have to grind so much of the ceramic. But what that does allow us is to really speed up that machining aspect of machining the Inco 718, particularly around the machine tool as well. These machines, our tools don't work particularly well unless we've got a decent machine backing them up with all the power and everything else to drive these. And what's really nice about this particular demo is actually how we're applying this ceramic. We're actually doing it with a dynamic toolpath as well, so that's actually relieving all the cuts and the pressure. But that means we have to keep the machine tool going at the same pace and everything else. So we really do need a machine that can keep up with the acceleration, decelerations to really take advantage of the cutter.
Sean, for those that have never used ceramic when machining Inconel, it's a game changer for any business.
Yes, it really does, like you said, speed up the process. Up to the kind of 2-3 meters worth of speed, and it really does make a much more productive process for them.
And when we look at the demo, obviously we see all the sparks and things, and obviously the heat in the chip. It's completely different to carbide, but if you can just talk us through the process, what tools are being used? I know we've talked about the solid.
Yep, so we're also using a face mill with our buttons. So that's just doing some simple facing, but actually obviously if we just use carbide, you'd be 3-4 times slower. We're then coming in and actually using this dynamic to create the pattern, which is 35 years for GROB this year, which is a big milestone for them. And on the last operation, we're just using one of our solid carbides just to deburr what's been left over by the ceramics.
And just finally, like you said, you've been long-term partners of GROB. The process is only as strong as its weakest partner, I guess, isn't it? So in this case, world-class leading machine tools with your cutting tools.
So Seco have a long-standing relationship with GROB as a partner. They've been part of our innovation hub since the concept of it, which was over a decade ago. They were one of the original 6 partners that we had, and we've maintained that relationship throughout. And ever since that time, they've provided us with the world-class technology machines in order to make our tooling really perform on the front end.